Hi, I'm Chef Rachelle Boucher, and I'm here in this induction-centered kitchen. I'm here today to show you some fantastic cooking techniques, ones you're very familiar with, all done on induction cooking. I've been a corporate chef in the appliance industry for decades, and so I was really focusing a lot on gas cooking. All of a sudden, induction cooking started to pop up everywhere, and I absolutely fell in love. We're gonna do everything from melting to searing, really fast boiling, and even wok cooking. When you're cooking with gas, it's only about 35% efficient. Right here is over 90% efficient. So that is going to translate into super, super fast boil. Put a little bit of salt in this, because we're going to do some pasta. Over on this side, I'm going to get some butter melting. I'm going to do a really wonderful seared chicken. What's so exciting about induction is you can use the whole surface. This is very safe. This will not get too hot. It can't heat up because there's no magnetic pan there. One thing you need to get used to with induction is how quickly it heats up. A little bit of olive oil in here. So there's some flour here, a good amount of salt. I have some smoked paprika. So quickly this butter melts. You can hear that sizzle. You'll see right here in this pan how even this is. So you've got super even cooking. But what's incredible for me is I'm not getting hot. Look at this. There's no heat flying off of this. What a difference that these handles stay cooler so much longer. So if you're cooking in the summer as well, I'm not having to crank on the AC, put fans on me, but you do want to use ventilation. That is still important. Just gonna toss in a little bit of the garlic, a little bit of wine. Just gonna cook that off. Come on. Beautiful. Stock. And then lemon juice. Now it's really just finishing, so I can turn it down with amazing precision. So we're going just down to barely a simmer. That happens instantaneously. Normally you would have to, with gas cooking, you would really have to move this off of the grate, because the grates are very hot. Look, pasta is boiling. How fantastic. So this is all ready to go. So to finish this dish here, I'm just going to do a little bit of capers, a little bit of parsley. Back over here, this is ready to go. So certainly angel hair cooks very quickly, but it really makes a difference when your water boils in half the time, right? So for your clients, for weeknight cooking, when you're just trying to make a quick pot of pasta, a quick pasta dinner, it's going to happen in half the time compared to cooking with gas. Induction comes in so many varieties. You can get a plug-in countertop hob. You can also get a cooktop like this. The ranges are the oven and the cooktop all in one, all the way to 24-inch, 30, 36, and they're even getting to be larger right now. So we have sort of a classic Italian dish here. We're gonna go over to cook on the wok. Note that it is a flat bottom wok. The wider the surface area on the bottom, the better contact you're gonna have. You're gonna get really quick heat. High heat oil. So you'll onion and pepper. Let me add in mushrooms next. And of course your snap peas. Sear it up and then let it sit for a little while. Cooked tofu, a little bit of salt here. I had the pleasure of working with celebrity chef Martin Yan. He's a huge fan of induction cooking, and I learned straight from the best. A little bit of the green onion. I have a little bit of the white and the green part. I think I'll work a little bit of sauce into this. Vegetable stock and a little tiny bit of sherry wine. So again, super fast and efficient. No wasted heat here. It's incredibly safe. I can even keep this towel right there for cleaning later. Put in a little bit of my cornstarch mixture. Just get enough to put a little sheen, a little bit of sauce on this. Here is a wonderful thing that you and your clients are also going to love, and it's the cleanup. So I'm not lifting grates. I'm not scooping down into the bottom of this. It's absolutely clean and ready for the next time. I hope this has inspired you to try it yourself, and I really hope this inspires you to get these incredible pieces into the homes of your clients. Go to a showroom, talk to an owner that has induction, wait till you see what they have to say about it. So I encourage you to visit switcheson.org for more ideas and inspiration, and to join us on this incredible induction cooking journey.